Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the core of Filipino culture by uncovering 10 key values that define the Filipino way of life. These values are not just traditions, they are deeply ingrained in the Filipino identity, influencing how Filipinos connect with each other and the world. Whether you're a visitor or someone eager to understand the culture better, knowing these values is essential for building meaningful connections and respecting local customs. Let's dive in.
First up is Bayanihan, a beautiful Filipino tradition that embodies the spirit of communal unity and cooperation. The word comes from bayan, which means town or nation, and refers to people coming together to achieve a common goal. Historically, Bayanihan is represented by the image of neighbors helping to physically move a house. Today, it manifests in different ways, such as disaster relief efforts, community projects, or even crowdfunding to help someone in need. Bayanihan reminds us of the power of community and how Filipinos prioritize collective well-being over individual gain.
Pakikisama emphasizes harmony and good relationships with others. It's the Filipino way of keeping peace, avoiding conflict, and maintaining a friendly environment. This value encourages Filipinos to go along with the group, even if it means setting aside personal preferences. Whether it's joining colleagues for after-work gatherings or helping a friend with errands, Pakikisama ensures relationships remain strong. In a world that often values independence, Pakikisama reminds us of the importance of collaboration and consideration for others. For example, in the workplace, Filipinos often prioritize team harmony over individual opinions, fostering a cooperative atmosphere. In family settings, Pakikisama is seen when family members support each other in daily tasks, creating a sense of unity and mutual respect. This cultural value is deeply ingrained in Filipino society, highlighting the significance of community and togetherness in their daily lives.
Haya is a sense of shame or modesty that influences Filipino behavior. It's about maintaining dignity and avoiding actions that could embarrass oneself or others. For example, Filipinos may hesitate to accept a favor outright or avoid direct confrontation to preserve Haya. It's a way of showing respect and humility. In social gatherings, you might see someone politely declining additional food, even if they want more, to avoid appearing greedy. In educational settings, students might hesitate to ask questions, fearing they might look ignorant. During disagreements, people often avoid direct eye contact to maintain harmony and respect. While Haya can sometimes hold people back, it also fosters a culture of politeness and consideration. This value is deeply rooted in Filipino culture, promoting a sense of community and mutual respect.
Utang Nal refers to an inner debt of gratitude, a moral obligation to repay someone who has done you a favor. This value is deeply rooted in Filipino relationships. Children often feel a lifelong responsibility to care for their parents in return for their sacrifices. Utang Nal strengthens bonds by ensuring acts of kindness are acknowledged and reciprocated. It goes beyond mere repayment. It is about maintaining harmony and balance within relationships. For example, if a family member helps you through a difficult time, you are expected to offer support when they need it. In communities, neighbors often come together to help each other, creating a strong sense of unity and belonging. Utang Nal is a heartfelt expression of gratitude and respect that reinforces social ties.
Kapwa is the Filipino concept of shared identity and interconnectedness. It's seeing others as part of yourself and treating them with compassion. Kapwa drives Filipinos to prioritize relationships and create a sense of belonging, whether it's among family, friends, or even strangers. This value is deeply rooted in Filipino culture and can be seen in everyday interactions, from sharing meals to helping neighbors. For instance, families often gather for meals, not just to eat, but to bond and share stories. In communities, Kapwa is evident in the way neighbors come together for communal activities, such as cleanup drives or building projects. This collective effort strengthens the sense of unity and cooperation. For example, during fiestas, communities come together to celebrate and share food, embodying the spirit of Kapwa. These celebrations are not just about festivity, but also about reinforcing social ties. Another example is the Bayanihan tradition, where neighbors help each other move houses or complete tasks, showcasing unity and cooperation. This practice highlights the importance of collective effort and mutual support. In times of need, Filipinos often come together to support one another, whether it's through fundraising events or simply offering a helping hand. This sense of shared identity fosters a strong community spirit. Kapwa reminds us that we're all connected and that kindness towards others enriches our own lives. It's a value that encourages empathy, solidarity, and a deep sense of community.
Respect for elders is a cornerstone of Filipino manners. Younger generations show deference to their elders through gestures like the mano, taking an elder's hand and pressing it to one's forehead. This practice symbolizes respect and gratitude, and it's a tradition that continues to thrive in Filipino homes. Respect for elders ensures that wisdom is passed down and that the family structure remains strong. Elders are often seen as the pillars of the family, providing guidance and support. Their experiences and stories are cherished, and their advice is highly valued.
Family is the cornerstone of Filipino culture. From close-knit relationships to extended family ties, Filipinos deeply value familial connections. This value means prioritizing family needs above all else, whether it's through financial support, caregiving, or simply spending quality time together. In the Philippines, family isn't just an important thing, it's everything. Family gatherings, celebrations, and daily interactions all reflect this deep-rooted value. The sense of unity and support within Filipino families is truly remarkable, making family orientation a defining aspect of their culture.
Faith plays a central role in Filipino life, deeply embedded in the culture and daily routines of the people. As one of the most predominantly Catholic countries in Asia, the Philippines showcases a vibrant expression of religious devotion. For many Filipinos, faith begins at home, with morning and evening prayers forming part of their daily routine. Religion isn't just a private practice, it's a community affair that brings people together. Attending Sunday Mass is a cornerstone of Filipino life, providing not only spiritual nourishment but also a chance to connect with the community. Special events like Simbang Gabi, a series of pre-Christmas dawn masses, highlight the depth of their devotion. Beyond the church walls, faith is celebrated in grand and festive ways. Patron saints' feasts are marked by vibrant processions, street dances, and shared meals, showcasing the communal and joyous aspects of Filipino spirituality. Faith isn't just about rituals, it's a source of hope and resilience. During natural disasters or personal struggles, Filipinos often turn to prayer for strength and guidance. This reliance on faith has fostered a strong spirit of unity and perseverance, allowing Filipinos to overcome challenges with grace and optimism. Whether through solemn prayers, lively fiestas, or acts of kindness inspired by their beliefs, faith remains a guiding force in Filipino life.
Filipino hospitality is legendary and goes far beyond polite gestures. Visitors are treated like family, often welcomed with a feast and warm smiles that instantly make them feel at home. Hospitality often begins at the table, where sharing meals symbolizes trust and generosity. Filipinos will even offer the best portions of food to their guests, ensuring they feel honored and appreciated. Even in modest homes, hosts go the extra mile to create a comfortable space for their visitors, showcasing their genuine care and thoughtfulness. Hospitality reflects the Filipino heart, generous, welcoming, and always ready to share. Whether you're a neighbor stopping by or a tourist exploring the country, Filipinos make sure you leave with unforgettable memories of kindness. This spirit of hospitality also extends to strangers, with locals eager to share their culture and stories.
Finally, in the Philippines, humility is a cherished virtue that nurtures relationships and promotes harmony. Filipinos value staying grounded and letting their actions speak for themselves. Whether it's a student excelling in school or an athlete winning a championship, the credit is often shared with others, family, mentors, and even divine guidance. Humility isn't just about grand achievements, it's woven into daily life. Acts of kindness and generosity are performed without expecting recognition or praise. In a society that values modesty, humility ensures that pride never overshadows the importance of relationships and community spirit. It's a reminder that true strength lies in lifting others up, not just oneself. This attitude of selflessness and gratitude creates a culture of mutual respect and admiration, where success is shared and celebrated collectively.
Thank you very much for joining us on this enlightening journey to the heart of Filipino culture and traditions. These 10 values are more than just words. They are the core essence of what it truly means to be Filipino. These values are the threads that weave together Filipinos' rich traditions, deep-rooted beliefs, and distinctive way of life. Even in today's modern world, they remain deeply significant, shaping interactions, communities, and perspectives on life. We hope this has given you a deeper and better understanding of the Filipino spirit, a spirit of resilience, compassion, and unwavering hope. Don't miss the video pop-up on your screen. For more travel content, head over to our channel. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more engaging and informative content. See you in the next video.